So good morning students. Today we are starting from exercise 9.1 class 10 general mathematics, and from question number 9 we are starting. Okay. So in question number 9 it is given that the angle of elevation from the top of a tower, okay, from the top of a angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree, that is CD is the height of the building and angle of elevation at the top of the from the top of the building to the bottom of the tower is 30 degree, and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. Okay, if the tower is 50 meter high, then we are to find the height of the building. So I have written the diagram. AB is the height of the tower is 50 meter, angle of elevation to the foot of the building is 60 degree, and from the top of the building the angle of elevation to the foot of the tower is what? 30 degree. Okay, so first I have written from the figure AB equal to 50 meter, CD equal to height of the building equal to question mark, as we are going to find the height of the building. Okay, and angle ADB clearly ADB equal to 60 degree and angle CBD equal to what? 30 degree. So first we have considered the triangle. From triangle ABD, what we have written, tan 60 equal to AB by BD, and tan 60 is root 3. AB is what? 50. It is given in question by BD. So through cross multiplication we have got BD equal to 50 root 3. Okay. So to find CD, we have to consider triangle what? Triangle BCD, and the value of BD what we have got from our first angle BD equal to 50 root 3. We will consider the value of BD while we have considered the triangle what? BCD. Okay. So now I am writing from triangle BCD tan 30 equal to what? Tan 30 equal to, we all know, perpendicular by base, that is CD by BD, CD by BD. Okay, tan 30 we know what? 1 by root 3, and CD, we are going to find CD, so CD will remain as CD. The value of BD here we have got what? BD equal to, not BD equal to 50, not 50 root 3, BD equal to 50 by root 3. Okay, if we skip the line, then there is a probable chance for mistakes. So BD equal to what? 50 by root 3. I am writing the value of BD here as 50 by root 3. Okay, hope that it is visible for you. Tan 30 I have substituted 1 by root 3 as value of tan 30 is 1 by root 3. CD here as CD, and the value of BD is 50 by root 3 as we have got from our first triangle. Okay, so note down this. I am erasing the few lines. So here if we multiply CD root 3 equal to 50 by root 3 into 1, that is 50 by root 3. Okay, and root 3 here it is in the form of multiply, then root 3 into root 3. If root 3 we take here, then root 3 into root 3 will be 3. 50 by 3, then CD equal to, if we take it in the mixed fraction, that is 16 whole 2 by 3 meter. Okay, so what we have got? We have got the height of the building. You can write in the next line that the height of the building is what? 16 2 by 3 meter. Okay, so if you gone through the diagram first, then gone through the question, after going through the question you try to write the figure, and I have told you earlier that our target is to construct right angle triangles. Okay, so in few questions you will get 2 right angles, in few questions you will get 1 right angle. Okay, so we will continue from the remaining questions in our next classes. Thank you.